So let's talk a little bit about tech screws. This is a tech screw. It's made so that this little pointy end can literally drill a hole in steel, and then this little threaded part takes over and snugs it down. That's what I'm putting this building together with, is screws like that. And this steel here is pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's pretty thick, a little bit of metal. Well, I had some tack screws from my local hardware store. They were these, which is called Self-Drilling Auto Performante, the Project Sinker. Now those came from my local hardware store. I needed to go to the Home Depot to get some lumber for a project I'm going to be doing at the safe house, and they had these for sale, so I bought a box of these. These, which are Everbuilt, they won't drill a hole in that metal the way these will. These will very quickly make a hole, and when you're drilling this, you're actually using a lot of arm pressure to press this into that steel. I'm looking to see if I can see. Yeah, this is made in Cincinnati, Ohio, and this is made in China. I rest my case. Much better.